channel. I'm Ariel, and today we're doing a What's in My SuperBe in the color Rose Quartz. So let's start and see all that I can fit inside my SuperBe. So first things first, let's start with the 3 large pockets in the front. Let's see what I have in this pocket. It's like a game of hide and go seek, but I have my girls' sunglasses. I wanted them to be covered in the sun. So I have my 2 girls' sunglasses in here. They're so cute, from Disney World. I love these. I think these are so pretty. I might wear them for myself. See how I look in these. They're a little bit too small, but okay, that one doesn't look that good on me, but they look really cute on my 2 little girls for Disney World. I mean, they go so well with this bag too. Very pretty. So those fit in this pocket really well. And then in my middle pocket, I have 2, I think what ounces, 3 ounce and a 5 ounce sunscreen that is really useful because my husband is, that's funny, 100+ sunscreen. My husband is really fair skinned, so are my daughters, so they need lots of sunscreen to cover up, and those fit perfectly in this front pocket. I mean, that's really useful and really helpful to bring those with you. So this held really well in the middle pocket. And then here in the last pocket, we have my Sakura Swirl Bee set and the small piece. So we have that one, and this one holds change and lipsticks. I think I said in my last video, I told you which lipstick this was. It's actually the one that I'm wearing. And in my last video, I did a packing video and on the body for my Freedom Fanny Pack. You should go take a look at that and see how much room is inside of the Freedom Fanny Pack, because it's a lot. So I have my lipstick in this one, some bug spray that I carry with me all the time when you're going to be in nature at all. You need your bug spray, and I get like super big welts when I get bit by mosquitoes. So this is very, very intense bug spray. It's like 98% DEET, and it works, but I need it. So I use this bug spray. It's very potent, I should say. And some chapstick with change inside. So that fit inside that pocket. Put all my stuff, all my goodies here so you can see what's inside. All right, so those were in the first 3 pockets. So on the inside, getting to the good stuff. Let's see. I love the zippers on this. I said in my other video, the zippers on this are so smooth, and that's a sign of high quality. So thank you, Jujube, for great zippers. And on the inside, I have my lovely fuel cell. Yay! I love my fuel cell. And this one is in the rose colored glass, and on the inside, I mean, it fits perfectly in here. I love my fuel cell. I put mine in my diaper bag as well. So I was like, you know what, just snap it out of the diaper bag. Didn't have to unpack it or pack it. It's already packed. Snap it out of my diaper bag and stuck it right in here, and it went so well. So what's in my fuel cell? I don't use it for bottles because I'm a nursing mommy, so don't need bottles. I mean, you could use it if I pumped, but I don't pump. She latches on and that's about it. So inside my fuel cell, I love this. I have toys. I have diapers. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4 number 2 diapers. And really, I can fit like 6 in here. Like 2 is just, I mean, 4 is just, you know, the minimum. I can fit like 6 in here. So that's that. And then I have 2 burp cloths, pretty large, good sized burp cloths. This fuel cell fits a lot. I mean, really great. And then I have another big toy. So that's 3 toys, another large toy in there. And then 2 nursing pads. And I love the fuel cell because it has like so many, it has this zipper here. I don't know what it's for, but you can use it for many things. I mean, I love that. So that's my beautiful rose colored glass fuel cell that I love. Then I have my large bee set, and it goes extremely well with the Rose Quartz print. I mean, that is a great comparison to that. And then I'm just gonna take my other one out because I have the medium-sized bee set as well, and that goes really well. I mean, can we compare those prints? Just beautiful. I mean, these prints together are really so gorgeous. I love that. So I'm glad to fit those in there. And in here I have, let's see, I have just like a little change of clothes. I have a bib, and then I have her passy that she doesn't use much. That passy is by, my dad actually got this one for me. It's by Ma'am, M-A-M. Yeah, so Passy by Ma'am. Really love this, and it's so great because you can put water in here. I mean, this, I've never heard of this, but I love it. You can put water in this little compartment in here, and then you just stick the Passy inside, close it, and then microwave it. And that sanitizes the Passy. Huh, never heard of that, but it worked really well, and I thought that was great. And then I have another toy. I mean, this girl she's my little princess. She gets tons of toys. So that's in there. And then I have in here, just clothes, a bunch of onesies. I mean, this, the large bee set can fit a lot of onesies. I mean, that's 3 onesies just in case. I'm like a freak. I really just I'm afraid that she's gonna have so many blowouts. So in a day, like 2 or 3. So I make sure to bring extra clothes. I think I really overpacked, but it's better safe than sorry. And then I have 2 pants. Yeah, which I need to take out. I haven't changed that one out in a while. It's like really hot out, so she doesn't need pants. So goodbye to those. And that all fit in my large bee set. So that's that. And then I have a white pack. So my white pack, yep. And that's for Huggies. And that's pretty large too, and it fit in there. This SuperBe is super, so you can fit a lot. And then I have my carrying case. I mean, over all of that, I fit my carrying case in here. And this is a pretty large, bulky carrying case for the baby carrier. And I fit the whole thing in there with all of that was already in there. So that was my carrying case. And I have to see what is this, who's this made by? I don't know, my sister-in-law gave me this one, and I looked it up, I think once, and I didn't look it up again to remember who this carrying case is by. But let's see if it has it on here. This is a carry-on multi-pocket carrier by Infantino. Okay. Infantino carrying case. Yep. Multi-pocket. It's really great. It has lots of pockets. I mean, so many pockets on here. You got 1. Multi-pocket is like a lot. You have 2 pockets. Then you have 3 pockets there. And then you have, on the hip, you have 4. That's a pocket. I always use this one. Oh, I even have a little hair tie bow in there. I must have put that in there a while ago. And then you have 5, and that's another zipper there. I always put like my keys or my credit cards or my phone even goes in one of these pockets, the top one, so I always have it on me right in front. So that is a multi-carrier by Infantino, and I love this one. It really does work super well. So that fit in my SuperBe with everything else. And then I have, let's see, in the back, in the larger back pocket, and this one is magnetic, I have a changing pad. So that was this changing pad, my giant carrying case. I mean, that's not a small one, okay? My sunscreens, sunglasses, lipsticks, my 3, let's just look at this, okay? 3 bee set pieces. 3 bee set pieces fit in there. Put those on here. Oh my goodness, that's a lot already. My toys that fit inside, that's my toys that fit inside of my fuel cell. And this fuel cell was packed full with burp cloths and diapers and my clothes and my bee set. I'm just gonna pile this on so you can see all that fit inside. Ugh, so much. And pads, nursing pads, and wipes. And not to forget, this was in my little carrying case. So that's the cherry on top. Ta-da! That's all that fit in my giant SuperBe. And I mean, that's greatness. This is greatness. So thank you, Jujube, again for an awesome piece. I mean, I haven't had a SuperBe, but I love this one, and I'm probably going to get another when you come out with another print, or I might just search for another one. But I love SuperBes now. SuperBes are my thing, and I'm so glad I got it in the lovely Rose Quartz. Can't wait to use it again this summer, so super excited for that. And again, I'm Ariel, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back and see me again. Bye.